So hello guys, welcome back you all to the new video of Legend Physics. In this video I'm gonna tell you how does a digital multimeter works and what's inside a digital multimeter. But before starting any of that topic, there should be a small intro about what is a digital multimeter. Digital multimeters are a measuring instrument that can measure quantities such as variable resistance, voltage and current. So now we are all set to go, so let's see what's inside a digital multimeter. As you can see, this digital multimeter is in a working condition. Here are positive or negative probes or terminal of the multimeter which are attached to multimeter. Now let's open the multimeter. Here are the screw behind the multimeter which you have to open with the help of screwdriver. Now I have opened both the screws. Now first thing which we see is a 9-volt battery which give power supply to your multimeter. Then you see 3 terminal jacks which are of common and voltage ohm current. Next there are 3 more screws which you need to open one by one. Then you have to open buzzer or speaker screw. Now we will remove the electronic plate. We can see a pointer and a copper embedded design in a green plate. As we rotate the pointer, these lines give signal to our IC which tell how to operate the system. These silver balls used to give a voice which tells that we are rotating the pointer. The black dot is a IC, the red one is a capacitor. An LCD display is also there which displays voltage, current and resistance reading. Speaker is used to give a beep sound for continuity test. After this, screw back all the nuts and check whether battery terminal is properly placed or not.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the video.